That's how you do it. That's how you get all grown up. How's it going? Come on over. We're getting ready to make some smoothies. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to kick this off. Now, I know what you're saying. You're looking at it and you're going, oh my gosh, it's a blender and it's not even working, right? It is not broken. No, it is not. What it's doing is it's taking all the air out, okay? Because air is what kills all our fruits and vegetables, right? You ever take a bite of an apple, you set it down, come back 10 minutes later, it turns brown, right? So air is what kills, it gives it a half-life, okay? So right now it's sucking all the air out, then it's going to blend it. For example, if you look over here, okay, you look at these balloons are going to start to expand because we're sucking all the air out, okay? So these balloons are going to start to expand. Basically, we're not putting air in the balloons, we're actually just taking air out. So the molecules in the balloons say, hey, we've got room to stretch out, so they stretch out, okay? That's exactly what's happening over here, all right? So, back to over here, what you're going to get, now once it's done sucking the air out, it's going to automatically start blending, okay? It's really cool. What you're going to get is you're going to get no foam on top, which is one of those things, if you got kids that get stomach aches because of air pressure in their stomachs, things like that, you won't have that foam on top. It's really, really cool. Also, when you notice it blends, it's going to start going slow, fast. Why does it do that? Well, that allows gravity to do its job, okay? It maximizes. So the gravity pulls the big stuff down, you get a nice even blend, okay? Now, you notice how quiet it is, okay? I can talk to you, you can hear me, and it's blending. I mean, most blenders, it's crazy how loud it is. For example, if I lift this top here, it gets loud, but this shield actually helps get rid of the sound. Now, you get two things with this, okay? You get the pitcher and you get this cup. Okay, this cup, you can vacuum seal and take anywhere with you. Wherever you want to take it, you can take it, okay? And when you're ready to drink it, you just go ahead and pop that seal. Look at that, all the air goes out of the balloon, you're ready to drink. Now, if you only drink half of it, that's great, no worries. You want to keep it for later, you throw it back in there, you just vacuum seal it again. No problem, okay? This vacuum technology is bar none. It's the evolution of the blender. Like you sit there and say, and once you realize the difference between air and your blender, you go, wow, why was I blending with air in the first place? It's crazy, okay? So also, we've got 3 knobs up here, okay? So there's this, you can control the horsepower, okay? This is 32,000 RPMs. It's like the fast and furious of blenders. It's really, really fast, okay? 3.5 horsepower, okay? Pretty awesome. Now, I've never had 3.5 horses, but I did get thrown off of 1 horse once, and that was powerful enough, so I'm pretty good with that. Okay, now, one thing I want you to look at is look at the color, okay? Pay attention to the color, okay? Because when we add air back into it, the color is going to change about 7 shades darker, okay? So have a look right here, and also it's going to decrease a little bit in volume because we're taking the air out, the molecules start to compress, okay? Here we go, and color change. Level went down a little bit, molecules compressed back, okay? You got a great smoothie that way. It's nice and even. If you notice, there's no big chunks. You can't even, like, looking at it, you go, okay, what's in it? I don't even know. You don't get any big chunks of anything, no leaves, no nothing. Super awesome. It's the best blender. It's just the evolution. Once again, no froth. That's my favorite thing. No froth at all, okay? And now we're gonna serve it. And we've got some samples right over here. And keep in mind, we had ice in here, we had leafy vegetables, we had spinach, we had banana, we had coconut water, we had lime, we had mint. All of that stuff is finely ground up. What do you think? Also, the nutritional value is better because the molecules get expanded when it's blending, so there's not as much damage to the nutrition. Pretty cool, huh? Feel free, come on over, have one. Take another one. Take one to your friend. He's going to drink it on the way, that means.
Yeah.
Yep, me
got
too.
5 friends waiting.
Exactly. Anytime I want more, I always just go, oh, I'm going to bring this to my wife. It's really good. It's good. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's perfect thing. And the great thing is it lasts so much longer. Look right here. We blended this morning, okay? This is with our machine. This is with a regular blender. Okay, it's already starting to separate. Your smoothies last so much longer with this, okay? Just in regular air, not to mention when you vacuum seal, okay? It'll last so much longer. Like the thing with smoothies, when you drink a smoothie, you got about, 30 minutes before you go, it's questionable, okay? With ours, all day, no problem. It's awesome.